Hi friends, welcome back to the SolidWorks tutorial. I hope all you are doing well. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will create a bottom half circle shape. Outer diameter is 60, inner diameter is 40 and thickness is 14 mm. Friends, I am requesting you to all, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Select sketch, select front plane, select circle, create two circles, give the dimensions 60, 40, select line, select trim entities, finish sketch, select extruded bars, select mid plane, give 14 mm thickness, apply. Next select front plane, sketch, there is one more diameter 40, diameter 20, length is 80 mm, offset you can see 30 mm, height from the base 70 mm. Give the dimensions 40, 20, offset is 30 mm, height is 70, sketch is fully defined, finish sketch, extrude. Here we need to extrude two directions, overall length is 80, first give one direction 73 mm, another direction give 80 minus 73 7 mm, apply. So again select front plane, sketch, select line, so select circle and line, give a tangent constraint, select circles. Here select convert entities. Select trim entities. Finish sketch. Extrude. Here select two directions. Thickness we want 10 mm. Apply. Next part is, there is a one rectangular part, that dimension is 34 mm width, length is same 40 mm, height from the center point 32 mm. So here we need to take one plane. This height is 70 plus 32, 102 mm height. Select top plane. Here select reference, take plane. Offset we want 103 mm. OK. Select this plane, sketch. Select rectangle. This dimension is from the side 30, length is 34 mm. Finish sketch. Extrude. Reverse the direction. Here select up to next. Select this surface, sketch. Here one cutout is there. Select circle. Diameter is 16 mm. From the top, height is 10 mm. We want center of the object, or give the dimension 34 divided by 2, 17 mm. Select line. Select trim entities. Trim the unwanted lines. Finish sketch. Select here extruded cut. Here select through hole. OK. Next select fillet. Fillet dimension is 8 mm. Select both the edges. You can see all the dimensions. 16 mm diameter, height is 10 mm, fillet size is 8. So next bottom there is a rib 10 mm thickness, height is 20 mm, here offset 10 mm is there. So for that we need to take one plane. So center plane, I will take center plane. Select reference, take plane. Here select mid plane. Select the plane, sketch, select line, give the dimensions. (20) from here to here 10 mm. Finish sketch. Select rib. Here direction is downwards, reverse the direction. Thickness we want 10 mm. Okay. Off the flange. You can compare friends, all the features are added. If any feature is missing, please let me know in the comment. So we can give the chamfer for this circle. Go to appearances, select metals, go with steel. In the steel you can choose any one of the polishes here. I will go with polished steel. Go to edit appearances. You can choose the color here, which color you want, like this. So which color you want, you can choose here. That's it friend, today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me friends. Finally, save the parts, Ctrl S. Thanks for watching this video once more time.